What's up mga Lods? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay The Darkest Secret na ang pamagat ay ano yun? The Strangest Events Recorded Inside Churches Part 2. So ito na lang napili ko kasi mas mahaba siya kaysa doon sa Part 1. And yan, subscribe kayo dito kay The Darkest Secret. Magagandahin mga video nito eh. So shoutout sa mga subscribers ko dyan. Thank you so much sa inyong pagsuporta. So without further ado, let's go sa go.
The church is a sacred place for many faithful of Catholicism. Inside, respect and silence are vital elements for all who visit them. However, perhaps due to its high concentration of spirituality or mere coincidence, things happen here that could hardly be observed anywhere else. Strange interruptions that will make you strongly doubt. I hope you're ready, because my name is Leonor Clay, and this is
The Darkest
Secret.
Kami buwelo pala.
Today we present the 4 strangest events recorded inside churches, Part 2.
Ano kaya to?
Much of the videos that you're about to see were sent by my audience. If you know or have videos that you would like for me to see, do not hesitate to send it to the email that you now see on the screen. And if you like my content, do not forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any of my updates. Without further ado, let's begin.
Without further ado,
Number
pakis
4.
kami.
I ask you to be prepared, since the footage that you're about to see is undoubtedly one of the most intriguing that I've had to analyze lately. The search takes place in what appears to be a church in the early hours of the morning. There were no guards or anyone who could be prowling around the area. The church was completely abandoned at that time. It is then, in the middle of the morning, when the security camera managed to capture something that is impossible from all the perspectives of our mind. A completely illogical event, not only because a child appears who should never have been there, but because of the way in which he leaves.
Ano kaya to? May bata. Sa pupunta to? Oh! Oy! Oh! Ha? Wala. Hindi nga camera glitch nanto.
How can that be possible? How can a real child just fade away? Is it perhaps a trick? But who would be so cruel as to use a child in the early hours of the morning and leave him in the church in complete solitude? Or perhaps the answer is another. Maybe there is no trick, and the lens really captures something that clearly seems to be the presence of a spirit in pain. If you manage to discover any other previous information that brings us closer to an explanation of this video, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment box. That until today, no one has managed to find an explanation of this footage.
Kaya lang, sabi ko kanina glitch. Kaya lang kung camera glitch. Dapat ano eh. Pero dito hindi eh. Kung inisip ko kung edit naman siya, hindi ako magaling sa pag-e-edit. Pero imposibleng edit. Mahalata kasi pag-edit eh. Grabe yung gulat ko dun ah.
Number 3.
Pumago sa pader.
The information that you're about to receive came to me in an email from Daniela Gomez. This is not a video, but an image that to this day continues to send chills down Daniela's spine and all those who see it. The girl tells me that the photograph was taken while walking through the Salt Cathedral in Zipaquirá, Colombia. The Salt Cathedral is a beautiful religious construction built on the foundations of an old mine. According to Daniela, this place is immense. However, visitors only see a part of it. Many sinkholes and passageways that were previously used for mining are now sealed. They are boarded up in such a way that people cannot pass and avoid getting lost. However, the boards have small spaces where something can fit. For example, a cell phone. That's what Daniela did. She took her smartphone and took a flash photo of one of those places. It was simply curiosity, simple curiosities that would take her to one of her most terrifying stories. When she got home, Daniela reviewed the photographs taken that day, and this is the image that was captured inside that forbidden corridor.
Ang dilim ah. Wait lang po ah. May tignan ko lang yung labas ng bahay ko. Pahating na yung kasama ko, yung partner ko. Wait lang. Lagi, wala palang tao. Alam ko, nandito na siya. Oh! Eh! Ano yan? Ang kahipi ah.
No one could have been there that day. It is an area closed for the public. Also, the figure seems to be coming out of the wall. What are your theories? Number 2.
Hindi kaya pakadolya lang din. Pero hindi eh. Kahit imposible din. Kung pakadolya, ewan ko, parang imposible din kung pakadolya. Nakatakot eh.
Could the faith of religions be such an intense feeling that it causes some kind of change in the matter around us? There are those who believe that it is. There are those who believe that it is the state of absolute faith, that intense human feeling, that actually allows the realization of certain miracles. And the video that you're about to see could become an example of this. Luis Salazar is the name of the person who sent this video to my email. They were in the process of a consecration, or Eucharist, the traditional ceremony celebrated by religions such as the Catholic, Orthodox, among others. The ceremony began and ended normally, since no one who attended noticed something very strange had happened with the host, the offering that the priest held in his hand. Look carefully at the video, and you will realize an event that surprised so many faithfuls at the time.
Devant toi et dans la communion de toute l'Église, en ce premier jour de la semaine, nous célébrons le jour où le Christ est ressuscité d'entre les morts. Par lui que tu vas élever à ta droite, Dieu notre Père, nous te prions, sanctifie ces offrandes en répandant sur elles ton esprit, qu'elles deviennent pour nous le corps et le sang.
Paano nangyari yun? May magic si Father.
The ceremony had only just begun when zooming in, at which we can notice a strange movement in the object. Due to the quality of the image, there is a possibility that this is a product of the pixels. But what happens next is completely different. The host seems to rise and levitate just as the religious raise their hands. Was it a simple coincidence? Maybe the host had some swelling, which when it returned to its normal state, made it jump. Do you agree with that? I ask you because in the comments of this video, many people claim to see it levitate. Tell me what you think.
Gumalaw eh.
Number 1. What could be stranger, scarier, or more terrifying than anything we've already seen? I have decided to leave in this place one of the most interesting videos that have circulated on the internet in recent years. I remembered it thanks to the email sent by Arturo GV. He wrote telling me the story of the sanctuary of Santa Rosalia in Sicily, a footage that, as I anticipated, never ceases to disturb all who observe it. According to Arturo, the footage dates from the year 2004. It was
Tagal na.
taken while a group of friends decided to visit the sanctuary by walking the paths of a narrow cave. According to legends, at the age of 14, a girl, Rosalia, now a saint, decided to live there in poverty for 12 years in honor of Christ. The friends wanted to visit the place where this saint supposedly spent her last days. They made jokes and laughed like so, until what you're about to see happened.
Ano kaya to?
Bello sto posto, ragazzi. Entriamo. Aspettate qua voi.
Ok.
Io Rosalia, figlia di Sinibaldo, signore della Quesquina e del Monte delle Rose, ho deciso di abitare in questa grotta per amore al mio Signore Gesù Cristo. Amen, io ci sono qua. Ma entriamo. Occhio che si fa.
Grabe. Ang hirap pumasok dyan.
Che strettissimo. Vai. Sempre più scivola pure. Salve.
Ah,
Salve.
may tao?
Salve. Oh, usciamo. Oh ragazzi, è uscito un attimo. C'è una persona là.
Io vedo.
C'è una persona là. Oh no.
Wag.
Oh ragazzi, attenzione.
Papasok pa kayo. May tao dun.
Ragazzi, usciamo, non c'è più.
Ah,
Usciamo di costa.
Usciamo.
Usciamo
gusto wala. Wag, nakatakot yung babae kanina nung nakatayo dun. Mapaisip ka kasi bakit may tao dun. Di ba kahit ikaw mismo ilagay mo yung sarili mo dyan sa lugar na yan na nandyan sila. Papaisip ka tapos mawiwirdo ka na mahikapihan kasi walang imik. Di ba nag-hello kanina, wala siyang imik. Hindi man lang tumingin sa kanila. So ibig sabihin, ang creepy talaga nung ano na yun, natakot sila kaya sila napatas nung una.
Merda.
Ay! Ay!
This whole
Sakto.
place is supposed to be a passageway without exit. The girl could not have left without them noticing. What do you think happened? Leave me your opinions in the comment box because this video has already come to an end. My name is Leonor Clay, and this was
The
The
Darkest
Darkest
Secret.
Secret.
Ang gulat ko doon. Nagpapaliwanag pa lang ako sa last part. Tapos biglang lumabas yung babae sa harapan. Ay! Sorry kung napapamura ako. Nagulat ako. So yun, subscribe kayo dito kay The Darkest Secret. Maganda rin yung mga video nito. May mga sarili siyang compilation. So, subscribe The Darkest Secret. So, yun. Thank you so much sa inyong pagsama. See you in my next video. And mag-iingat po kayo palagi.